welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well and having a lovely day or a lovely week whenever you're watching this. Today I'm back with a little naked haul. You guys know I love them. I just feel like they have such a good selection of stuff, like really good like trend pieces, but then also good kind of like basics. So I picked up some of my favorite items from there. As you can see, very neutral. I mean, you guys know I love my neutrals. I just feel like it's super versatile. You can mix and match them so many different ways. Very like spring vibes. I do have some coats in here, but then I also have some like dresses, cute tops, trousers, things like that. I will try everything on for you guys, let you know my favorite items, and I do actually have an Unreal discount code. Currently their birthday at the moment, so happy birthday Naked. But you can get 40% off if you're a new customer and 35% off if you're an existing customer. I'll put the discount code up on the screen, but I'll also put it in the description box. I think it's valid for 5 days, so if you did want to pick anything up in the next 5 days is ideal. I'll link everything in this video as well in the description box, so you can go and like find everything super easy. But yeah, let's get on with the video. I'll try some bits on for you guys and show you what I picked up. We're starting off with an absolute staple, trench coat. I just feel like these are so timeless, they never go out of fashion. You can wear them so many different ways. They're perfect for like springtime, so a little bit more of like a lightweight jacket, but then you can also layer like heavy knitwear underneath, scarves on top, wear it in the winter as well. This one, I love the colour of it. Like, I love that it's a little bit darker than your normal like beige trench coat. It has like a little wrap around the middle. I just love how like long and oversized it is, because I'm such like an oversized coat kind of girl. This I picked up in the size 36. And like even the outfit I've got on an all neutrals, or you could do like an all black outfit, but then you can also dress it up. If you was wearing jeans, like a nice top, heels, chuck this over the top, it's like perfect. I feel like on the hanger doesn't really do this dress justice, but let me tell you, it is the most unreal thing ever. Like, I've already tried it on, so I'm so excited about it. The fit is amazing. I don't know where I'm gonna wear it, but I need to find an occasion to wear it because I'm obsessed. Like, it's high necked, it fits so well like around your waist, around your bum, like so flattering, but also really comfortable as well. Size wise, I have it in the, I think the, what size? Maybe the extra small. I will say with Naked sizing, go down a size. I do find their stuff comes up a little bit oversized sometimes, so if you are like in between or whatever, go down. I would say, like, normally in other shops I get like a small, extra small, but in Naked I can kind of afford to get like an extra small. Next up I have these trousers here. They're like a camel kind of beige tailored trouser. I feel like these are so versatile. If you're going to work, perfect, but then you can also wear them in the day with like trainers, a cute kind of like t-shirt, but then also you could like dress it up in the nighttime with heels, again like a nice little top. Got them in the size 34, perfect length as well. I love the colour, love the fit. I will link these down below. I think they have like a matching blazer as well, so you could do like a full suit moment. I feel like that would look really cool. Next up I have this cute little top. This is like the perfect nice top in jeans, and I pretty much live in these. Like, every single time I go out for like any kind of dinner, drinks, I'm like, okay, jeans, nice top, done. This is basically the dress but in a top version, so the best of both worlds. Like, I need to get both because I love them so much. Just white, it's like high necked, has this really cute kind of like mesh detail in here. Size wise, I have this in the extra small. I kind of wish I got the extra small, but yeah, with blue jeans I think perfect. Next up, another coat, because you guys know I'm coat obsessed. Again, this is just unreal. I think you should be able to see like the material, it's so nice. There you go. I love anything that has like a slightly different texture. I feel like it adds kind of details to an outfit, makes it a little bit more interesting, especially, oh, got hair in my mouth, especially if you're doing like an all neutrals or like quite a simple outfit. This is like the perfect white oversized coat. Wear it so many different ways. You can dress it casual, you can dress it up. Size wise, I have it in the 36. and I'll link it down below. Obviously 40% off if you're a new customer. Next up, I have another pair of trousers. These are in a really nice kind of like khaki olive green shade. I'm pretty sure they have a matching blazer as well, so again you could do like a suit moment. I just picked up the trousers. I just feel like with this, like even like a white little t-shirt like this and then some white trainers, perfect. But then again, oh god, if that's the noise, that means I've left my straighteners on and they've turned off automatically, which is not good. I need to get better at turning them off. I also think these are perfect for work if you work in the office. Super comfortable as well. They're really nice kind of like tweed fabric, like I don't know if you can see. But yeah, super cute. Size wise, I got them in a size 34. And I'll link them down below. Next up, another cute little top, perfect for going out for dinners, drinks. This is like a knitted, slightly see-through top, so you could do like a really nice like white lace like bralette underneath. I think that would be super cute. Or if you wanted, you could do like a vest top if you wanted it to be like a little bit more daytime. But I picked it up in the extra small. Even with the trousers I've got on, I feel like it would look really cool. Or with like blue jeans as well, I think would look really nice. We're having a rehydration break because my mouth gets so dry like filming these videos. I don't know why, it's just like I talk too much, or if I get like nervous when I film. I don't know why I do, but I just, yeah, my mouth gets so dry. So we have the water on the side, so we sip on that the whole video. Another top, perfect to pair of jeans or like nice trousers. So this kind of like crosses over in the front. I feel like you'll see it more when I try it on. It's like slightly cropped. They're really good with high-waisted things. Really nice colour as well. You guys know I love my neutrals. I then have this dress here. It's like a really nice linen material. I feel like you'll be able to tell more when it's on. It's quite hard to like see what it looks like, but it's giving me very much like Jacquemus vibes. I think they do a dress very similar, but this is obviously the much cheaper version. But the fit is really nice. This would be perfect like on holiday in the summer. You could do sandals, but you could also do heels. I just love it so much. It has like a nice little slit up the leg, but size wise I have this in the 34. I have this super cute little like white satin mini skirt. I feel like you could do it either with like oversized knitwear, knee-high boots, which is basically all I wear, like it's one of my go-to outfits, or you could do it with like a nice top, heels, a little bit more dressy, or you could do it in the summer with like trainers, a little like crop top, like the top I've got on maybe. So that is everything I picked up from Naked. Let me know what your favourite items were in the comments. Of course everything will be linked. Let me know if you pick anything up, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!